So in this Canva tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to set an image as a background here on Canva using Canva desktop. So once Canva is opened up, what I want you to do is to first and foremost add an image to your design. So I'll just press on elements right here. I'll go to the top and I'll search up what's a random city. How about Chicago? Just like that, press on see all. I'll go to the photos and press on Chicago right here. There's Chicago. Now, if you want to make it the background, one way you can actually do it is to just drag the photo all the way around just like this, and you can kind of make it the background just like that. That's one way you can do it. If you want to do it a simpler way, though, we'll press, right here. What I want you to do now is to press on the photo right here. I want you to press on these three little dots right here. Go down to where it says replace background. Press on that. Now it'll be cropped automatically and become your background. If you were to go ahead and put another something on top of it, it'll still act as the background, just like this. So very simple, very straightforward, but that's how to set an image as a background here on Canva desktop. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.